Hey guys, Tim Schmidt here with Agency511, just here to give you a COVID-19 policy update for Agency511 marketing and advertising. Yes, we even have a COVID policy. We have to. It's also a Google requirement, and this is meeting that Google requirement for us at Agency511. But we do take it seriously. So Agency511, we are following all of the CDC guidelines that are cut out for an advertising and marketing agency to be able to deliver our services and products to you as the client. One of the things that we are doing following those guidelines is our offices are closed to the public. Now they remain open for any employees use. It is a private closed door office for each employee, so we don't have to necessarily work around common spaces, but we are not bringing public entities into our office space at this time. We are asking that we move that to a Zoom call, so we are using more of a digital space right now for the time being until Governor Walz lifts those restrictions of social distancing and or until there's a more safe approach to it. So for our office hours though, please refer to our Google business listing or our Bing business listing where those hours are kept up to date and available. All of our off-site meetings, should we have to come and meet at your office for any particular need or reason to really get a grasp of what it is that we're trying to market for you, we are requiring our employees to wear a mask. So it's not uncommon to see us show up in a mask like this. Okay, so we will be wearing a mask on-site at your location. We also are requiring that we carry hand sanitizer with us. So I do require that we use it frequently and often during the visit. Don't be offended, it's just our policy. So that way I can keep all of us safe at Agency511. Also, it keeps you safe. And that I believe is the most important part to me is I wear the mask and I have others wear the mask and hand sanitize out of respect for you, not necessarily out of fear, but out of respect. I just think that it is us doing our due diligence to keep a safe environment. So I also like wearing just a blank black or white mask, and that's what I require because I don't believe that it should be about a statement other than a respectful statement to you. So hopefully that clarifies that. Materials and exchanges, should we need to accept materials from you, if I can easily sanitize it or someone can sanitize it, we will accept them immediately and sanitize. If it's something that cannot be sanitized and it's more porous, we will probably isolate that material for 48 hours before handling it with serious costs. So that might create some delay in what we're trying to accomplish with you, but for the most part, we should be good. So again, no in-person meetings on site, but move those to Zoom. And if it's a regular scheduled meeting that happens and reoccurs every week, those will be Zoom until further notice. So pretty much still business as usual, how we've always operated and run. And then also for your project scope, expect no delays, okay? I want you to understand that the only thing that would cause delay is third-party delay, whether it be we need a venue to record something at, or trying to get a certain product or service that's delayed or not able to get at the time, that would be a delay. But when it comes to our deliverables and our marketing materials here at Agency511, we will not delay our output. We're still putting in our time and still committed to your success. And finally, anything that is a third-party delay is not our responsibility. Any events that are canceled, you may have gotten pull-up banners or created materials around certain events that are coming up in the future. If those are canceled, gosh, that hurts and it's no fun, but those materials that were created for that, they don't expire. So a lot of what we do, you still are responsible for making that right. And that is your responsibility and the responsibility of the third party or that event host and their policy for any refunds or materials or things like that. That is up to them. So again, we are not responsible as an agency for those cancellations and what comes with that. So I hope that clears up any questions you have for us. Should you have any further COVID-19 related policy questions, please reach out to me, Timothy Schmidt, and it's 320-207-0702. So just reach out to me and just ask and ask those questions. I'm absolutely happy to answer them for you. So again, agency511.com/COVID-19. That is our policy page and we'd be more than happy to answer those questions. So with that, I hope that helps clarify any confusion and also takes care of posting this for our website as well, so that you are informed of our policies and dealings. Over and out. Have a good one. Bye.